we're gonna learn a few ways to play this song called Joe, Hey Joe. I'll show you some different ways to play it for different skill levels. This would be the easiest way to play it. E chord, Hey Joe, to A. How's the weather in LA? B. You get sick of the sun. A. Back to E. Just 3 chords. E. A. B. That's the simplest way to play it. And even on the chorus, you could play B for the It's dirty. Back to B for the chorus. That would be the simplest way to play it. Difficulty would be to play the E and play these in between. So in between the chords. After the E, we play open E, and then we play B at the 4th fret. We go into our A, play that twice. We play open E, and then E at the 2nd fret, and then B at the 4th. Then so after. Then we play our B chord. And then we play high E. We play the E at the 4th and the B at the 4th, and then back to A. And then the final little melody is it's just B open, B at the 2nd, B open again, G at the 2nd, and then into our E chord. A little more difficult. On the A, you could play an A sus. That's what the guitar player is playing. You play the D string at the 2nd fret and the G string at the 2nd fret, and you play from your A string down. E. A sus. And the B sus could just be played with 2 fingers. You could play at the 4th fret, play the D and the G, and then just play open B. Okay, and then flatten for that. Those are the notes that follow the B chord. It's high E and B at the 4th fret. And then into your A again, A sus. Do your riff and then back into the E. So that would be a little more difficult way, just to play those sus chords, even though the sus chords actually are easier to finger. Get those nice open strings. Now, then there's a chorus. As I said, that's basically a B to an A. So if you wanted to, just play a B or B sus. A sus. Your A or your A sus. You could even slide between the 2 shapes. could use that same little to get back into your verse. So from the E on the verse, it kind of does this. Transition to get them to up to the 7th fret is that's a set, A and D strings at the 4th, A and D strings at the 2nd, and then he jumps up here to the 7th and 9th frets. He plays the B sus. Your B note is the 7th fret on the low E. A, you're going to mute with your index finger, is just like lift it up a little. And we're going to play the D string at the 9th with our ring finger, and the G string at the 9th with our pinky. And we're going to keep our fingers curled. And then we can play the open B and E string. All right, then the next chord is 9th fret, middle finger on the 9th fret on the low E string. This is a C sharp minor. Okay, our pinky and middle finger stay on the same strings, but the root changes, and we can still play all 6 strings and play the open E and the B. And then it goes to an A. You can play the A with a bar chord, or I saw him go to the A down here a couple times. You play the A sub. Yeah, and that's basically it. So that's my lesson for Hey Joe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.